Do you guys know that if you have some mushrooms and boneless chicken and this together, you can make some amazing, creamy, tasty and delicious pasta recipe. And this recipe, your kids and your family member is going to love it. So let's see how to prepare this pasta recipe. So first we'll start by marinating the chicken. So here we have taken 200 grams of chicken cubes. For this we are going to add some salt, followed by 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of Italian mixed herbs. All this we are going to mix well and allow it to marinate for around 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, in a pan or a vessel, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and transfer the marinated chicken. And this we are going to stir fry nicely until the chicken is moist and soft. To cook better, we'll cover and cook for 10 minutes on slow flame. And if little water is there, we are going to cook for more 2 to 3 minutes so that it completely dries off. Perfect. Now transfer this chicken to a bowl and let's keep it aside. Now in the same pan, we are going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes which are homemade, and it is stored in olive oil and garlic with rosemary flavor. Followed by we are going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic which is chopped really fine. We are going to fry it for 2 minutes on medium to slow flame. Now add 1 large onion chopped. Saute for a minute or 2. Now we are going to add 200 grams of sliced mushrooms. Stir well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's cover and cook for more 2 minutes. And now mushrooms will release its water. You can see that. Give a stir. And now let's add the fried chicken pieces. Stir again after adding the chicken cubes. If dry, then add 2 tablespoons of water from the pasta which was cooked. Now for the cheesy flavor, we're going to add half cup of grated cheddar cheese and around 1/3 cup of fresh cream.
Why should we use cream?
To make it creamy. Now for the flavor, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1.5 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix everything really well so that it becomes creamy. That looks nice. Now time to add the boiled pasta, which is around 200 grams approx. Mix pasta nicely in the white sauce so that the pasta gets nicely coated with the sauce. Cover and simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. Give a stir and your perfect tasty mushroom chicken creamy pasta is ready. Perfect for dinners or even for kids' lunch or tiffin box. It is the perfect idea. Do give a try to this pasta recipe and you're going to love it. Thank you and see you.